Welcome to Books and Hauls with Michelle. I'm here today to do a haul. I'm going to do Stitch Fix. And in case you were curious, the reason why you haven't seen Stitch Fixes in a while is because I decided to start doing Stitch Fix every other month. The reason I'm doing this is I feel like if I go to a store every month, it gets really redundant. The same stuff is there every time I go in there. I feel that way with stores. I feel that way with boxed subscription boxes, everything. So I thought, why not do Stitch Fix every other month, and then on every other month go to Walmart or Target or something and just go from there. I think that that would be a little bit more fun and fresh for me anyway. If you have any thoughts about that, you're welcome to let me know down in the description box. So I did open this so I could take my thumbnail, and it's kind of all over the place. The two things on the top aren't in the package, the little wrap. It's kind of falling out, but I see something purple. I see something black. I see, looks like gray jeans. And then a green floral something, and then kind of an army green color item here. I looked at my notes, and the stylist is a different person again. So, I don't know what to think. I've been having a problem lately. If I'm really, really honest, which I told you I always would be, I haven't been that impressed with Stitch Fix lately. That's part of why I was like, let's just do it every other month and see if, like, things kind of start feeling the way they used to for me again there. I'm just really enjoying Walmart and Target. Okay, so the first thing that I see here is, it's a tie front sweater. And I have to be honest with you, I am not a fan of tie front anything. It's just not my thing. I don't mind seeing it on other people, but it's just not me. Anyway, I will try it on just so you can see what it looks like. I like the color, but I'm probably definitely not keeping this because I'm not a tie front person. Here's that first top. It's cute. It's very lightweight. Got a little bit of like a peekaboo spot right here. It's just not my style though. This is one of those things I would never pick up and wear. I feel like it's too short. I want to hide a little more of my stomach. Yeah. But you're free to let me know what you think down in the comments. And then I see some jeans. What? You guys. Okay. Got these jeans here. They are STS Blue Ellie ankle skinny high-rise jeans in a size 14. So I wear a 16W or an 18. Unless these run really big. I don't know why these were sent to me, but I'm kind of not liking that. That's all that it says. So it's got this, just like a cut hem on it. It's not distressed. It's just cut straight across. And I guess over time it'll get distressed. So, and I did ask for some gray jeans. I guess these are gray. I don't know if it's the light. They look black, but just kind of faded to me. I don't know. But that's the next item here. Here's the jeans. Does it do anything for my butt? And they're definitely ankle jeans. Which for me, I like ankle jeans because that matches the kind of pants or kind of shoes that I usually wear. Do these look too tight? Then we have, is this a dress? No, it's a jumper. A green floral jumper. It's Kaileigh brand, and it's got a little matching belt that comes with it. And it's got a wrap cut on the chest. Kaileigh Julian knit jumpsuit, green, and a 1X. Made in Guatemala. I'm not seeing care instructions on here. I guess it's machine washable. What's it made out of? I don't know. That's bizarre. And then it's got a elastic in the waist. I don't know. I guess we'll see what it looks like on, right? This isn't something I would have picked out in a store off the rack to try on. I guess that's where I'm going to leave it until I try it on. But that's the whole point in Stitch Fix, right? Is to see how things that you wouldn't normally pick out for yourself look. It does have pockets, and it comes with the sash. It is a cropped length, and it's kind of adjustable here on the bodice area. Okay, then we have a dress. This is it says Market and Spruce Dion Eyelet stretch knit dress. Black and a 1X. Made in China. This one is 90% polyester, 10% spandex. And the lining is 97% rayon, 3% spandex. And this is machine washable. So that's good. I don't know what I think of it. I guess I have to see it on. I'm not sure. I love black. I don't know where I'd wear it. I'd have to, well, I guess we'll try it on and see. But I did ask for a dress, but I asked for a gray t-shirt dress. So I guess they don't have those at Stitch Fix. I'm going to hold what I think till later, but see what you think here. And then we have, what the heck is this? It's a purple shirt, which I love purple. And then it's open in the back. Do you see that? You'll see it better when I try it on, but it's not just any shirt. It's got the felt lining on the inside, which I guess I could save it for a year, but I'm kind of getting to that point where I'm ready to start lightening up what clothes I wear. Like, it's starting to warm up just a little bit, and even though the temperature isn't high, the sun is out, so it's feeling more warm, and I don't really know that I would wear this a whole lot right now. It feels too warm outside for this. Anyway, it's Threads for Thought Ivyisla back detail top, purple and a 1X. This is made out of tencel, which is that fabric that I was telling you is recycled material. And as you see, I would have to put a different bra on with this. Okay, I am back to give you my reactions on everything and to let you know what they cost. The Kaileigh Julian knit jumpsuit in green and a 1X was $68. And with this item especially, I feel like, now my stylist doesn't know who I am. She's never seen my videos. She never will, because I'm not going to give her the link for this. They keep switching stylists on me, so I don't know that I'm going to bother giving them a chance to get to know me anymore, because I'm getting so frustrated with it. I think this is the 4th box straight that I've had a new stylist. And I feel like she thinks I'm 25 years older than I am with what she picked out. The one thing that seemed young was the thing that wasn't my style, the tie top. And maybe the jeans, but that was kind of it for me. I felt like everything else was quite a bit older than I am, and I don't know. Do you feel that way? Am I being snobby? I don't know. The Ellie skinny high-rise jean in dark gray in a 14W were $59. What do you think? Were these too tight? I'm on the fence about them. Brad thinks they look good. I think they were a little tight. But it might be because I'm bloated. Let me know what you think. The Threads for Thought Ivyisla back detail type top in purple in a 1X was $64. I mean, I love the color. I think it's cute, but not for $64. It's a very similar style to the shirt I'm wearing right now. And I got this at the Goodwill for $4. $4. And I do already have something from Stitch Fix that's this color that's also got the fleece on the inside. And that one was only $40. So for me, I think this is just a little too high price point wise. The Sanctuary Letitia button down front tie top in dark green in a 1X, $58. It's funny, this item probably, I think, was the cutest one on me. Even though I don't think I'd wear it though, is the problem. But it's cute. And it's my age group or younger, which is kind of appealing, you know. And then we had the Market and Spruce Dion Eyelet stretch knit dress in black and 1X. This one was $48. And Brad said it best. He said, I love the idea, but the execution didn't come out right. And that's how I feel. It was like the fit was really off. It kind of looked like a moo-moo. Once again, it made me feel older than I am. And it just didn't look right. It felt like it fit funny right here. Like you could see my bra, which if you could see this bra through something, you're probably going to see any bra through it. And even here, the cut was kind of funny. I didn't like the way it fit at all. Which is sad because it was cute till I put it on, you know. Here's where I get even more frustrated. And like I said, I'm not trying to, you know, dog on them or anything. It's just, I feel the way I feel, and I want to give honest reviews, and I'm frustrated. I've asked repetitively that Stitch Fix give me boxes that are fit with items that are $50 or less, and they have repetitively not listened to me. I don't think I've had one box where everything was under $50. And maybe that's just asking too much out of them. Maybe I just can't afford them. Maybe I don't want to afford them. If I'm going to spend $50 or more on something, I'm going to go to Nordstrom's or somewhere like that. I'm not going to go to, you know what I mean? I'm going to go like where it's really good quality. The cheapest item in here was that last dress I showed you for $48. The most expensive item was the Grandma's green jumpsuit for $68. And I'm just shocked at the price of all these things. Because, like I said, I keep telling them, I don't want to spend that much. I mean, come on, guys. You've seen my videos, right? I go to Walmart. I go to the Goodwill. I go to a lot of department stores, but I scour their clearance racks because I know what stores spend on clothes. I used to work retail, and I don't think I should spend such a markup. And that's just me. It'll always be in my head that way to be thrifty. So the subtotal for the box was $297. If I were to buy everything, which I won't be, it would take $74.25 off, bringing it down to $222.75 minus my $20 styling fee that I already paid, bringing it down to $202.75. Now, before opening, and this is my 23rd fix, by the way, in case you're wondering how long I've been with Stitch Fix. If you would like to let me know your thoughts on this box, I would appreciate it. If you think I should keep anything, if you think maybe I'm being too insecure, maybe those jeans and that green top look really good on me, and I'm just, feeling bloated right now. Let me know. Just be honest. Just like we're friends at the store trying on clothes together. I want you, your honest take on stuff. And I will, I put in an extension on this box so that I have a whole other week to decide what I get. Because I really did want your input before I even opened it and saw what was in there. So, if after hearing what I had to say about Stitch Fix, you're still interested in trying them for yourself, which, hey, why not? Most of the time their boxes are pretty good, and usually you'll have at least a few items that you can't live without. This was more of a miss box for me. But if you would like to give them a chance, I do have a code down in the description box. And if you would like to use it, you and I will both get a discount, which would really help me because, like I said, their prices are a little too high for me. So that in the future, maybe I can buy more of their clothing items. Every little bit really helps with pages. I know me and the other YouTubers that I'm friends with, we all really appreciate it when you use our links because we're trying to fund our pages, and YouTube doesn't pay as much as people think it does until you get really big. And so we're trying to pay for our content, and when people use our links, it really helps fund these videos. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have a wonderful rest of your day or night. Be sure to tune in next weekend. On Saturday, I am doing a Pretty Little Thing try-on video. It's 5 dresses. I think I got 5 dresses. Yeah, 5 dresses. And you're going to love this. My husband picked out all 5 of them. I didn't tell him what I thought of them. He picked them out. I picked my size and purchased them. If you're interested in seeing what my husband picked out for me, be sure to tune in. I think it'll be really fun to try on a new brand too. I've never got a Pretty Little Thing box. One other thing I want to mention about Pretty Little Thing, they have all clothing sizes. Well, not all of them, but I mean, they have a huge array of clothing sizes. They have standard sizes. They have plus sizes. So I love brands that are all inclusive like that. I love you. Bye.